presenting the Ram 2018 1500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 5.7-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 67.4, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and compass. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.